Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So today we're going to scalp the gold and I'm going to continue or actually resume trading, and the account is still $2,970. Of course, as you have seen from the last live trading video, and I'm actually in the mood to trade the gold. But of course, before that, I need to show you what strategy you need to watch first in order to understand this strategy that you are seeing in this video. So here is of course my channel, and if you guys go to the Forex Scalping Strategies playlist, you will find here the first one, Forex. Learn this amazing and simple strategy to scalp gold on 1 minute candles. This is very informative and you have to watch it first if you want guys to watch this live trading video. It's actually a very profitable strategy, but of course you can say it's kind of exclusive for IC markets clients. And by the way, speaking of that, I'm actually having a plan in the future to start a group on Telegram, and I'm gonna manage it myself, where we can actually scalp the gold together, and I'm gonna include only IC markets clients in that group. So to join that group, you will have to prove that you have actually opened account in IC markets using my link, and I think this is my right. I have seen that a lot of YouTube traders doing that, and I believe there is absolutely nothing wrong in doing that. It's my right, and I think I deserve some. I think I deserve it, and that's all. So again, that's actually something that's gonna happen in the near future, and I will just make that group, and I will announce on YouTube once we launch that group and we are ready. And again, it will be exclusive to IC markets clients who have opened account under my link. So let's now see. And by the way, why do we need to use IC markets only here for this strategy? The reason is simple, because IC markets is one of the only brokers who provides a spread of 1 pip only, or actually even 0 pip for the gold. You can never apply this strategy if you are using any broker offers higher spread than that. You must use IC markets, in my opinion, to have the best results using this strategy. So the first thing here that we have to understand about this strategy, we need first of all to trade the gold on the 1 minute candles, and that's the reason I had to zoom out to the maximum, because on the 1 minute time frame I don't care at all about the price actions, I don't care at all about the structures. All I care for is the support or resistance levels. Second of all, we cannot actually draw here a support line like this and just assume that we can start buying right here. That's not really gonna cut it. You will have to actually use the zones this time. Again, to understand, you have got to watch that video which I have referred in the first minute of the video. And therefore, let's now get ready to start selling the gold right here on that level of the resistance. And as you can see, the gold is indeed actually reaching that level, 0.5, and I have placed the sell order. I placed the sell order. Let me just get ready. Actually, since we're actually scalping the gold, we need to aim small profits, because we're gonna scalp the gold a lot right now. So therefore, my stop loss is gonna be $68 only, and target is gonna be, I think, about $82. I think we can actually reduce it to make it even 70. Now, let me just explain to you. In this strategy, we are looking for the strongest zones of resistance and support. As you can see, this, guys, was actually a real level of a resistance, and it was actually a strong level of the resistance. We can see actually that by seeing here multiple attempts are also on the same level of a resistance. Again, keep in mind, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. So therefore, we will have to wait for the gold to reach that level, as I have done here. And I have already placed the sell order, and now we can actually expect from the gold to fall all the way right here, at least to reach that level of a previous resistance. So again, what we will do right here, guys, is looking for the strongest levels. For example, if the gold gonna continue to fall to reach that level of a strong key support level, I'm gonna place a buy order. If the gold reach that level of a resistance, which has already happened, I'm gonna place a sell order. Again, that is exactly what happened. If the gold is gonna reach this level of a key support, I'm gonna also place a buy order. Let me just scroll to the left and show you the next levels. Here exactly, right there, because here we are having also a strong real level of the support, which was also a real level of support later. Yeah, again, we can place the buy order right there. If we look for the sell order, we don't have actually much, but I think we can place a sell order also right there once the gold reached that level of a resistance, or the highest level of a resistance. Check this out. We are already running in profit. Again, yes, that's really great. And by the way, guys, you have really got to train or actually practice this strategy a lot before you proceed to use it in your live account. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have blown my live account multiple times when I was learning it in the past, but then I later learned how to actually master this strategy and how to control my emotions. Controlling my emotions is actually something beyond, it's in the past. I think 2020 or 2019, I have managed to actually really control my emotions to the maximum. It's something that we will gonna gain within time. So anyway, this trade seems to be going well so far. The gold is running in about 10 pips of profit, $29 of profit. The account is finally $3,000. Finally, yes, I have seen it. Yes, fantastic. Yes, the account is finally above $3,000. Finally, fantastic, great. So let me now, guys, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, guys, so the trade is going well. $50 of profit. I'm gonna close it and get done with it. Almost $50 of profit. Fantastic. The account now is finally above $3,000. That's what I do every week to increase my account. Fantastic. Alright, so the trade is still going well. Actually, the gold is still falling, but let's now see what exactly we can continue buying the gold, because at some point we can actually buy the gold. Let's now look at the strongest levels of a support right there. Pay attention. Right there, exactly. This was, my friends, the nearest real level of a support to that bullish breakout candle, and the market has actually formed here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 attempts of a resistance on the same level. Even the 10 one right here, we can see it. There is a wick here. That means that we can start buying the gold exactly from that level. So what we will do next is waiting for the gold to fall all the way right here to reach the same level of the support, and then I'm gonna place a buy order, and the take profit level, of course, is gonna be right here at the highest level of the resistance. Alright, so let's now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later, guys, to show you once I open the next trade. So unexpected move just happened on the dollar. I'm not sure what happened, to be honest. Guys, I was actually going to place a sell order right here, but this happened very fast. That level of a resistance has been indeed respected, and the gold in just 1 minute moved from this level to this level. I mean, there is something happening here. I'm actually checking right now. So far, I cannot find anything here. Checking the news. Oh, there it is. Private sector employment report. Private sector employment increased by... This has just happened, guys, just now. Look at that, 1 minute ago. So this news just hit the market, and of course that has caused the dollar to fall, as you can see. Indeed, that's the the dollar is rising. That's the reason we have to be very careful right now and just avoid trading for the next few minutes. I think all the pairs. Yeah, check this out. Resale of the gold from the last midweek analysis is working well so far. As you can see, it has reversed exactly from that level. Pound USD has indeed hit the take profit level. AUDUSD also, the resale has worked, and the market reversed exactly from the same resale level. USDCAD is falling. USDJPY same. This was same. Here's same. So as we can see, the gold right now is not safe at all to be traded. But now, after this movement has just happened right now, what we can do next is waiting for the market to calm down and then place a sell order right here on that level of a resistance. Therefore, our next trade, let me just be sure. Yes. Our next sell order will be opened right here once the gold rise all the way right here to retest the broken level of a real resistance. And as we can see in the past, it was also a support. And it was also a support right here, as we can see. That is, of course, the nearest support to that bearish breakout candle. So that being said, the new target right now will be right here for the gold after it rises for another 28 pips. So until then, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will happen once I open this trade. Guys, I'm gonna place the buy order right now. Fantastic. Very fast. Yes, actually that was a good level. Risking about $82. Wow. Okay, let's hope for the best. Take profit level gonna be $100. I don't actually have time to explain to you what happened here. Based on the 1 minute time frame, this was of course a very strong real level of the support. It was also a real level of a support right here, and the gold now is just actually reaching the same level of that support. The gold is still moving very fast upon this news, but still we can expect a reaction from the market upon the pressure from that support. I'm actually a bit nervous right now, sweaty hands, because I'm risking $83 in this trade, and I think it's gonna fail. I think it's gonna fail. Actually, guys, there is nothing guaranteed at all. Nothing guaranteed when you are trading with this kind of trading. This is strategy. I mean, when you're trading the gold on the 1 minute time frame. I'm thinking to close it right now and break even. Get done with it. I'm so late. My God. My God, I'm so late. I'm too late. I'm actually thinking. I'm thinking if I should close it or not. Let me just take a look at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Still should be fine. We are actually on 61.8. There is a possibility for it to reverse actually, yeah. It's not really the best trade, to be honest. Yeah, okay. If we lost it, we lost it. What to do? If we lost it, that's... Yes, I think... We can see actually, guys, the power of this level of the support. The strength of it. I mean, it's really holding the position. And so far, yes. I think, yes. Let's just close it and get done with it. Close it! Close it! Close it! Get done with it! Oh my God, I was nervous about it. We closed it with a tiny profit of $7, of course. That is just a break even. But yes, actually I made a mistake. I'm gonna admit it. It's wrong to do this. Let's just wait for the market to calm down. Alright. I'm done with it. Okay, so let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you guys later to show you once I open the next deal. Alright fellas, here actually we're having another good setup for the gold. This time I think it's gonna be trusted. We're going to sell after this madness happening right now with the gold. Right here we can see that the market has formed a real level of the support, and finally we can see here the strong attempt of the resistance. And it's remarkable to mention how the market has made actually a strong movement upon the pressure from that level of a resistance. That means that right after this fake breakout has appeared right here, because this structure is entirely a fake breakout, that means that this level of a previous strong level of a resistance is most likely now gonna be respected again. Adding to the mix also that we are having here also a resistance trend line, which means that we can safely, and hopefully it's going to be a good deal to sell the gold once it reaches that level of the previous resistance, and also a resistance trend line is going to be respected. So let's just wait for a few seconds. I think I'm going to pause the recording until this happens. So therefore, let's go for it. So check this out. The gold has indeed reached that level, but still there is a strong movement here. The madness is still going on with the dollar, and therefore dealing with the gold right now is gonna be like committing suicide. So I'm gonna stop for now, and I will pause the recording for at least like 1 hour. Let's see what will gonna happen after 1 hour. Hopefully the market, guys, is gonna calm, and then we can resume our trades. So I'm going now to pause the recording. Alright my friends, so finally the market is calm, and I believe right now we can prepare to buy the gold right after it falls again to retest that broken level of the resistance, as we can see right here. So the gold is approaching that level, and again the key to success in this kind of a trading or this strategy is to look at these strong levels of support and resistance and just place your buy order according to the retest, or after the retest, sorry. Waiting for the market to retest those levels is actually gonna be a good level to start buying the gold. So the gold is actually falling. It's just like, I think, 11 pips far away from the entry. And by the way, guys, another reason I want to share with you here, the EURUSD signal from the deal of the day, I have just sent the announcement here to close it right now with 23 pips. The EURUSD actually was really it actually was a crazy, I mean it was really a crazy deal. And by the way, guys, I even sent a notification here Update, EURUSDJPY is moving in bullish right now. Expect a bearish reversal exactly at 149.583, exactly from there. So we actually have initially sold the EURUSDJPY from that level right here, but the next sell was opened right here. So for those who have opened a sell order from here, they actually closed the trade in more than 65 pips of profit. Meanwhile, if you have kept the trade running from the original entry, you actually have made 23 pips. So again, that's one of the reasons why I'm advising everyone to join the free group of Telegram, because you need such notifications once you are seeing or taking any trades from the deal of the day on YouTube. Anyway, the gold now is approaching the level. It's a strong level. It's the promised one. I think we can prepare to place the buy order right now. Fantastic, fantastic. Guys, check my entry. Check my entry. It was exactly on the current price level. That is exactly the reason you need to use IC markets. If you have used different broker, you most likely will never get such a good entry like this. The entry was opened on the current price level, and that is really what you want when you're scalping the gold. Anyway, the trade right now is running in a minor loss. Let's wait and see how it's gonna happen. I'm investing $88 in this trade. We might fail, by the way. I'm not promising anything at all, but the take profit level has been placed right here at the nearest resistance to the entry, aiming $83. So let's wait and see how this trade will go. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as you can see, my friends, the trade is running so well in profit so far. $50 of profit, and let's just get done with it. And I want to get done with it because actually it was really close to the stop loss, and I even had to use the Fibonacci to make sure that it's not gonna touch it, and I had to lower my stop loss. Actually, it was really stressful trade, and I thought that we have lost it, but thankfully, as you can see, the gold is indeed, guys, respecting that level of the previous resistance. So indeed, as we can see, the gold is even still rising upon the pressure from that powerful resistance. That's the beautiful thing about my strategy. Oh my goodness, I really wish I left it running, but it's okay. I'm so happy with the session. So now the account is finally almost 3,100. It's now 3,078. So I'm gonna stop here, and I think I'm gonna resume trading later. But I just wanted to share with you this gold scalping session. Trust me, guys, you really want to try this kind of trading, but first of all, on your demo account. Don't use the live account instantly, because you might actually lose unless you have gained experience trading this style. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.